Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. And today we have box 5 of 6 in the Michaels grab bag mystery boxes. So stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so today is box number 5. We are doing a 6-part series of the Michaels $10 mystery grab bag boxes, and we have had a lot of luck so far. Every box was good, some better than others. I think day number 1 is still my favorite. If you haven't seen that yet, I will leave the links down below in the description. You guys can check those out. They have just been a lot of fun. I've never done these before. Normally, I would be planning doing like the advent calendars for December, but I thought, you know what? I didn't want to be doing that up until Christmas time, because you know how you get busy around the holidays, and to be putting up a video every day is just a lot. It's a real lot. So I just decided I would try and do little things like this and make it into like a little series for you guys. So we have the next, we had 6 days of videos of mystery boxes, and to me that's a lot of fun, especially after Thanksgiving. People are starting to get into the shopping spirit or whatever. And yeah, speaking of Thanksgiving, I am so happy that we've moved on from the heavy casseroles. I am ready for the new year already to start my new diet. I don't know. I think I made one too many casseroles because that stuff is so heavy. We're just not used to eating like that, every night. And we are on day number 3? Today's Saturday of heavy eating, and I'm just ready to eat a lot lighter. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing with your leftovers? What do you guys plan on doing with your leftovers? I'm ready to ditch mine tomorrow. I'll be honest with you. I'm ready to start Monday off fresh. And yeah, just eat a little bit healthier for a couple weeks, and then we can deal with Christmas, right guys? All right, so let's see what we have in day number 5. Every one of the boxes, guys, I've told you this already, every one of the boxes were not taped. They're like this, and it's a miracle to me that I was able to get anything good out of these boxes, because like I've said in every episode so far, every show so far, if these were on the floor, who's to say somebody didn't go picking and whatever, taking out what they wanted out of the boxes. So I don't understand why my Michaels did this, but they did. So leave a comment down below and let me know if your Michaels did that, if they tape every one of their boxes, because to me it just feels better about your purchase. The only reason why I ended up with the 6 boxes was because I had my son go and pick them up, and he felt bad because he's like, oh, I didn't know that they were supposed to be taped shut. And so I'm like, no, it's all right, no big deal, I'll figure it out. If it's short on items or whatever, I'll figure it out, I'm not worried about that. But all right guys, so let's get this open and see what we have in day number 5. Alrighty, so it looks like a repeat box of something we've already opened. And I could just say I'm not gonna do a review or a box opening for these, because we've already done the exact same box already. So this will be box number 2 of the same items, but that's not really fair to the people who came today who didn't see my other videos. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and yeah, let me pause the video and flip the box down so I can get these big boxes out. So stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so we have our boxes that are very familiar to the ones that we've already opened, but that's okay. Alrighty, exactly what I thought. So they filled the box with 3 pumpkins. Let's see if the other ones are pumpkins as well. And that's like plastic. It comes off and there are mirrors behind it. And I'll show you what they do. They light up. Let's see. Make sure they all work. That one works. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's only, these are $30 items, so that's $90, and I think that might be the least amount I've seen so far out of all the reviews that I've seen on these boxes, as far as when people add up, you know, what's inside the boxes. I mean, it's not even $100, guys. And to be honest with you, they're kind of bulky, so to sell these on eBay, it would cost me more in shipping, I think. I don't know. I can check Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship might be pretty cheap. But, I mean, it might cost me just as much to ship it as it is that I'm asking to sell it. So, that's never a good thing. So, I'm going to check. I did say I was going to check Amazon. And I did scan the barcode. And it didn't come up. So, I don't know. I would have to actually look more into it deeper to see if I can sell them on Amazon, because really that would be the best place for me to sell them, because then I could just ship them right into Amazon, and they would go really quick. But eBay, I might get 15, 20 bucks for these on eBay. Definitely not $30, you know. So, or I could do Facebook Marketplace. Not really sure. What do you guys think? What would you guys do? Where would you guys try and sell these? I think that, I don't know, guys. It looks like the battery's kind of low on it. Let me see. Yeah, one's much brighter. I don't know. I'm gonna try and get these up on Amazon and hope for the best. Because now I got 6 of these dang things. I'm not that thrilled with them. You know, it's like it would have been different if they were mixed, like with one being a cat, one being a ghost. You know, I've seen different ones in these 3D mirrored light up mirror things, and clearly they had an overstock of these to give them. That's 6 of them. How many others were there in these mystery boxes? Who knows? I don't know, guys. So I don't even know what to say. But to say, you live and you learn, you know, like I said, it's only cost me $10, which makes each one of these $3.33 a piece. And then I'm might get 15 for them, but then after fees, I'll be lucky. Yeah, so it's not even worth it for me to sell these online, because they're going to cost me probably 40 to 50% on eBay in fees. So, yeah, Facebook Marketplace is pretty much going to be my only avenue to sell these at. So that's a big bummer. But like I said, I have 6 boxes, and 2 of them were bummers. So I could still really make a good amount of money and utilize the other ones, the other items, pretty good. So no complaints, just a little disappointed. You know, how would you guys feel if you got 2 boxes out of 6 of 3 items in the box, and they're not even worth $100? They're big, bulky, so shipping them is out of the question. How would you guys feel about it? Would you guys be bumming? All right, well, we still have one more box, so there is still hope. So until tomorrow, guys, thanks for watching and stay blessed.